before we get into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications to be one of the first to see my videos. Welcome back everyone to the Architecture Insider. Endless stairs. What do you guys think of stairs? Stairs, in my opinion, are one of the interesting features of a building. They are a transitional space. They go from one level to another, making the transition there more interesting. This can be done with the various types of stairs to add character and detail to the actual building. Stairs are also used to show hierarchy in a building. The higher you go, the more hierarchy and more important this specific space are in the building. Or you can be very, very unorthodox and do it vice versa. Endless Stairs is a painting that is very, very famous to, I'm sure, everyone. It's very complicated, and it basically, title is in the meaning. It's endless stairs. You go from one place to another and it's never ending. And that's that can also be implied in architecture, where stairs go endlessly. You can go to wherever you want and there is no limit. The sky is the limit. The concept of the Endless Stairs painting has been used in this company called RMM Architects. Now, the first thing that they did was a small experiment in Manchester, and they just had a few steps going up and down in different directions, as you can see. It's very interesting what they've done, and they also create viewing platforms for people to watch out throughout the building or throughout the specific areas, and so that you can direct people to look in a specific vista.
Hello, I'm Alex Dereka. I'm a Professor of Architecture at the Royal College of Art, Dean of that department, and I'm a practicing architect with DRMM Architects. And we are outside the Tate looking at DRMM's latest project, which is Endless Stair. Endless Stair is a prototype. It's a research project into making a new material or a new version of a material, namely a hardwood version of laminated timber, which is generally softwood. So it's cross-laminated hardwood, and it's a project for the London Design Festival to celebrate that week of special design in London. This project, I guess, was a celebration of stairs because one of the nicest things about architecture, I think, somebody once said, sculpture's gift to architecture is the staircase. And my team were interested in Escher's Endless Stair as a conceptual deceit, really. So we thought we'd make a rather simple version of Escher's sophisticated ideas. Endless Stair is obviously a real staircase with a real end. The idea of an endless stair is that it can be endlessly reconfigured. So it's not literally that stair that has no finish and goes up to heaven, but it's something that can be recycled and reused, and that its uses are endless and its geometry is endless. So there's 15 flights in this example, or this iteration, and they can be reworked and reconfigured with more or less or split in many different contexts. All useful and practical architecture has its origins in some kind of experiment, and this project is an example of that. You know, we wanted to make a new material, cross-laminated hardwood, and we wanted to apply it, and we did so with a kind of sculpture, but actually there's a serious intent behind it, which is the application at the scale of buildings and larger structures. This structure is very useful, and you know what that use is? Pleasure.